Good morning, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Uncle Tony here, coming at you live from Statesville, North Carolina. I got a little friend. Hello, sweet puppy. We are here today to start a installation with a full sand. This client here found me on Google. They had some termite damage, and I guess a contractor came in and ripped up the floor, fixed all the termite damage, and now we're here to just reinstall it. They don't want to do the whole sand, the whole place, so we're going to try to match the existing floor the best we can. So let me take you inside. I'll show you what we're up against. We're tearing up the rest of the floor that the contractor didn't take up. As you can see, just this little dining room area. So we're pulling up the existing floor. We're going to maybe go back a row or two and reinstall the new floor and try to match the existing color the best we can. So that's what we're up against today. I'll go back and show you the final results like always, and I'll show you the progress. This beautiful house right here on the golf course here in Statesville, North Carolina. Alrighty, so stick around. I'll come back and show you the progress and the final results. Don't go in my truck, little baby girl. Come here. You're so cute. Look how cute you are. Okay, stick around. Everything's ripped up, ready to install. Alrighty guys, got everything up to the last few rows. Going great. We'll come back and show you some more results, so stick around. Once again, as always, thanks for watching.